Hello students. So here with us is Vipul Mandal who has got a call from IIM Ahemdabad and this is a formal interaction with Vipul. I am a teacher at an academy and Vipul has been my student there. So now I am trying to help Vipul for his preparation of his interview of IIM Ahemdabad. So, guys, this will be a formal interview that you can witness how the interview happens and how to answer questions, what sort of question is asking, and what will be the perfect answer. After the session of the interview, we will have a short feedback also, guys. So, my name is Praveen Tyagi and his name is Bipul, and we are starting the formal interview. So, hello, Bipul, how are you feeling today?
Hi sir, I'm good today.
Okay, great. So, Bipul, can you tell me something about yourself?
Sure, sir. Uh, Sir, I'm a biotechnologist, and I have been born and brought up in three small villages of West Bengal. And this diverse background give me an great responsibility towards people and nature. As my roots are from West Bengal, I have completed my 10th and 12th from West Bengal board itself. And during my high school, I have started to read Bengali literature. And this provided me with an opportunity to escape my small village through various different adventure stories. After my 12th, I got into a engineering college, and I have recently done my BTech from Haldia Institute of Technology on biotechnology. In my college, I got a good exposure in terms of my academics, extracurricular and co-curriculars are concerned. And in terms of my academics, I try to learn as much as possible from my professors. And in terms of my co-curricular and extracurriculars are concerned, I have tried to participate in various events so that I can learn about myself and I learn new things. In terms of my co-curriculars are concerned, I have participated in two different research projects, and I have also presented poster on them. And in terms of my extracurriculars, I have been working with an NGO for more than 2 years, and I have also done network marketing, and I have also worked as a placement coordinator of my college in my final year. These are the activities which gave me a introspection that I am little bit inclined towards the managerial roles. And in my free time, I like to read books and or I like to go out for a cycling.
Okay, people, just want to know one thing. Which NGO
Yeah.
did you work for and what was the nature of your work?
And I have working with a student-run NGO of our college, and its name was Jigyasa. And I have been working there as in managerial roles, and I have also been teaching underprivileged students of the neighborhood of our college.
Okay. So it was a NGO for education purpose, right?
Yes, education purpose, and mostly we have also helped the juniors of our college in terms of their educations.
Okay. So what was the
Yes.
purpose of forming it? Education for the poor or helping your juniors?
Actually, sir, we have been funded by the students of
Okay.
our college. So it was good to maintain interactions with them and help them out so that they can contribute to our cause, and we can use those funds towards the underprivileged students which need our help.
Okay. Fine. So
Yes.
means they were funding you, so you have to teach them, but the purpose was not that. The purpose was to
Not that
teach you.
actually. Actually, we as a seniors also like to interact with our juniors and help them out. And also in terms of interaction, we also learn something about them. And also it was our actually it was our human resource. Actually, it was always run by students of first year and second year. So if we have not gone there to interact with them and ask them to join us, they will not have been joining us, and the curriculums will not be happening as they happened.
Okay.
Yes.
What was your percentage in 10th and 12th?
My percentage in 10th was 86 percentage, and in 12th I got 72.71 percentage.
So why was it very less? 72 is very less.
Yes, sir. Actually, uh, in that time uh, I was not very much focused, and I was not got exposure to outside world, and I was not focused in terms of my goal and in terms of my career and what I want to do in future. So that's why it's the lack of goal, I think, I that my performance has been poor.
Yeah. Okay. So, what is the goal of your life now?
So my goal of my short-term goal is to learn from a prestigious MBA college, and about the various different managerial or business perspective like finance, marketing, HR, and to execute them in a good corporate environment so that I can learn much more from them also. And my long-term goal is to build a business around biotechnology, and so that I can contribute to the society in terms of sustainability and good business practices.
Do you feel that biotechnology has a good scope in India?
Yes, sir, certainly it has a good scope in India, and it is the fastest growing sector in the world. And India has also got a good exposure in terms of pharmacy and pharmacy's perspective of biotechnology. And right now it is developing. And in India, mostly the work is done on pharmacy sector, but there is various different scopes and sectors of biotechnology that I can go into if I want to go
Is
for my business
biotechnology
or entrepreneurship.
discovering new medicines?
Yes, sir. It helps in me discovering new medicines, because biotechnology deals with our genetics, and we can actually we can taste the different cause and effects of a disease in lab by help of biotechnology. So it is very essential for the research purpose of new drug development, as well as it is also very rich in terms of research background of agriculture is concerned, and also it can help with our food processing sectors and so on and so forth.
Okay, great. Oh, so your interest is medicines or food technology? What's your interest?
uh, my interest is, sir, the development, research and development purpose of the biotechnology sector. Like I have a couple of ideas in terms of biotechnology. Like we can always go to hydroponics or plant tissue culture, and I have been also worked with a research project which was concerned with sustainable energy production by using biotechnology. So there's lots of different sectors which I can go into, and in the next 2 or 3 years I would like to expose to these type of sectors, and learn how can I can build a good business around these sectors.
Okay. Um, can you tell me how many types of rare diseases are there in the world?
Sir,
Because maximum rare diseases do not have a cure and are a big point of research. So, how many types of
yeah.
rare diseases are there in this world? That's my question.
The most dangerous thing that we cannot still cure, it's come from our genetics, and it is hereditary disease like Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and it cannot be cured because now when the fetus is developed in the womb of a mother, from there it carries the genes for this type of disease. So these things are not been cured still.
But my question is not this. My question is how many types of rare diseases are there? This will have only a one-word answer.
Yeah.
How many
So
types of
actually,
rare diseases are there in this world?
I cannot tell exact number how many types of rare diseases in this world, because uh, it is a vast field, and our disease
Just give
caused
me
from different. Yes, sir.
approximate number 10, 20, 50, 100, 70, 60. Some approximate number is fine to me.
Yeah, I can go with 5 to 6.
5 to 6 types of diseases are there.
Yeah.
People, your knowledge needs to be updated. There are 7,000 types of rare diseases. 7,000.
Sir, I am sir,
There is a huge
I am
difference
trying
between
to
5 to 6 and 7,000. And
sir,
you
I
are
am
the
I
faculty
am
of biotechnology and you are talking about research. You don't even know how many
Yeah.
diseases are there and they need medicine.
Sir, actually, I am talking about generic cause of the disease. Like in terms of genetic disease, there can be thousands of disease. In terms of bacterial disease, there can be thousands of disease. I was
But
talking about
I'm talking
generic
about
terms.
only rare disease.
Okay, okay.
So the how many
Yes.
rare diseases are there? Do you know what is a rare disease? Can you define rare disease?
Uh, Rare disease, it is which I can understand from the term. It is very rare and happens one in a million case, something like that.
Yeah, so you are not updated about the definition also. What is a rare disease?
Yes, sir.
So again, you need to update your knowledge on this. Okay, I'll ask you a very basic question. What is a mutation?
Mutation is a mutation is a mutation generally occurs in genes, while due to various reasons, like if a cell is
I
exposed
just
to
need
enough.
definition. Don't tell me theory. Just tell me the definition of mutation.
The definition of mutation is when the genetic sequence of a species is altered in some to a extent of such extent that its characteristics is changed. That is called mutation.
Yeah. So I just wanted a definition from you. What is mutation?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And what is genetic engineering?
Genetic engineering is concerned mainly on the alteration of genes of a species, and so that we can get the required traits from that species. It
Yeah.
is all about engineering of the genes, DNAs, RNAs, this kind of
Okay.
stuff. Yes.
Okay. Uh, what is motor neuron?
Motor neuron is a part of our nervous system, and it actually carries the nerve functions to our brain.
But what is the difference between neuron and motor neuron in that case?
Neuron, sir, is generic term. In neuron, in under neuron, we have motor neurons and sensory neurons. And I think in sensory neurons, we can have uh, we can the sensory neuron helps us to sense various different types of sensations, and motor neurons helps with the transfer of the information to brain.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the formula for aspirin?
Aspirin, no, sir, I don't know.
Why? It's most common medicine.
Actually, sir, I have not studied about medicines,
Oh, in
so much.
biotechnology, you studied. I studied in my class 12th. How is it possible that you did not study in your biotech?
Actually, sir, about biotechnology, the course curriculum I had, it was
I'm
not
not asking for in-depth.
focused around.
I'm simply asking the formula of aspirin. I studied this in
Yes,
my
sir,
class
I
12th.
yes, sir, I don't know actually, sir. I'm sorry about it.
Okay. What is the difference between an analgesic and antipyretic?
Analgesic and antipyretic,
Antipyretic.
I again don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. You know about antibiotics,
Yes, sir, I know about
but you don't know
antibiotics.
about analgesic and antipyretic.
Actually, sir, it is a example of antibiotic. I can I can tell you about the antibiotic and its what it can do and how can we use it for our use. But I don't remember all the types of antibiotics there are in the
Okay,
world.
just tell me five negative points of Mr. Narendra Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister. Five
5 negative
weaknesses.
points.
Yeah.
Mm, I'm taking a little bit time, sir.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Take your time.
Okay, sir. Sir, I can tell you about two negative points which I can remember right now.
No problem.
Yeah, first one I would like to say that he is very loud about the religion part, and India is not a religious country. It is a democratic country and secular country, which we all have right to practice our own religion. And I think that would be that is not good for a leader of a country of multi religion, which has multi religion. And secondly, that they are focused on the part of nationalism part on Pakistan mainly because the Pakistan's GDP is very insignificant to us, and it is the focus on Pakistan will not be helping with our growth and development. I think their focus mainly should be on our health, on our growth and development, and I think recently it is been happening, and the focus has been shifted from Pakistan towards our growth.
Okay. And you have more points?
I am kindly recording this too.
Your voice has become low. Something has happened. I think your voice has become low.
Hello, hello, sir. It's okay. Hello.
Your voice has become low. Something happened.
I don't. Hello.
Yeah. Again, your voice is less.
Hello.
You can remove the leads from the laptop. Maybe in that case, it will take your audio directly.
I use my headphone actually.
Ah, now it is fine.
It's fine now.
Now it's fine.
Okay. Okay. Let me just increase my speaker's volume. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, just tell me one personality like whom you would like to become.
Uh, I would like to become. Sir, actually, I try to learn from everyone I got a exposure to. And I have been learning different personality traits and qualities from different people. So I don't think I can point out that like this person I want to be. I like to learn from various peoples, and I like to combine those learnings into my own personality. I just like to be myself in future.
Okay, great. Uh, Now just tell me why should I select you? Give me three strong reasons why should I select you.
Sir, most most important part of my characteristics is I am very organized person. Like if I bought a new bag, I always assign different pockets of my bag to different things, so that I can easily take whatever I need, even if I do not have lights in my room or something like that. These characteristics also reflect in my work as well. And whenever I got into I got lots of work that I need to do. I always assign the works in terms of their priority, and organize them in a queue that which helped me to do all the work properly. And that is why I'm also good at multitasking as well. So it is my second strength. And sir, I am also a very good listener and a good secret keeper. So I can always listen to the peoples and learn about them, and help them out with their problems and all, so that in this way I can also build a good relationship with the peoples that I meet with. So these are the four traits which I am strong at.
Okay, very nice. So, Vipul, just tell me one thing. Uh,
Yes.
why do you want to uh, do agribusiness management? Are you interested in agribusiness management?
I am little bit interested in agribusiness management, and I have also called for calls for agribusiness management from Ahmedabad and Lucknow. And but I am more inclined towards the PGP program of the colleges, because it will agribusiness management is a very specific sector, and I have some knowledge from my undergrad that can help me with agribusiness management. But I generally want to learn more about the management and business stuff, so that I can implement them on my business.
Okay. So, not you are primarily focusing on your business. So,
Yeah.
if you get admission in agribusiness management in IIM Ahmedabad, you're not
Yeah.
going to take it.
If I have agribusiness management call from Ahmedabad and PGP calls from IIM Lucknow, I think I'll go with IIM Lucknow PGP call.
And if you get the IIM agribusiness in both of them, and PGDM call from some other IIM, maybe
Okay.
IIM, then what will you choose?
Not I will not choose baby IIM over IIM Ahmedabad or Lucknow, but I can certainly choose IIM Kozhikode or IIM Indoor's PGP program over them.
That's fine. But if you're getting baby IIMs, PGDM, and IIM Ahmedabad
Yeah.
is giving you agribusiness management, then what will you take?
Then I will take Ahmedabad's agribusiness management.
So why agribusiness management? When IIM Ahmedabad will ask you, what will be your answer?
My answer will be, sir, in terms of my knowledge is concerned in sector of biotechnology. I want to enhance my knowledge about the agribusiness management and food processing, because Ahmedabad has food and agribusiness management program in their curriculum. So in terms of food and agribusiness management, I want to learn more about these sectors and markets in India. That is why I want to pursue my MBA in food and agribusiness
Then what
management
about
only.
your goal of business?
Sir, I can do business in food and agribusiness management also, no?
Okay.
And other secondary things is that I have learned about biotechnology things like enzyme production and plant tissue culture, and these all that these all. So the plant tissue culture is also comes under the agriculture sector. So I can also build my business around tissue culture.
Okay. Okay, great, Vipul. It was great meeting you. We will let you know the results soon. Your interview is over. Now, can
Thank
you
you,
tell
sir.
me how did you feel during the interview?
I felt good, and I think I should have been little bit fluent in my English, and I could have been more learned about general stuffs of my degree around biotechnology.
Yeah. So your observation is that you should have a sounder knowledge of your own field, right? So it
Yes,
means
sir.
that before your interview, you need to revise your subjects and important things.
Yes, sir. Actually,
This is
sir,
the
I have been revising my fields, and it was mainly around biotechnology. But you have gone to mutation and motor neuron thing. That is, I need to revise because I have read it in
revise.
12th
And moreover,
actually.
there are few more things. If you are applying for agribusiness management, they will
Hmm.
ask you questions that what is the best plant that you can grow in red soil.
Yeah.
So you should know. If you are going
Yes, sir.
for
I
agribusiness
need to.
management, you should know about mountains, you should know about soils, you should know
Yes,
about
sir.
Sundarbans, you should know about
Yes, yes.
plateaus, you should know about sea areas, which
Actually,
plant
sir.
grows better where and why. So there are many questions related to agribusiness management. You need to be prepared in terms of knowledge. I have not
Yes,
inclined
sir.
your interview much towards it, but yes, you
Mm-hmm.
should know. Second thing
Yes, sir.
is
Actually,
you need to practice English speaking also,
yes.
because uh, when you are answering a question, it's not about being very fluent also, you should also be very clear. So I am finding that you are not very clear when you speak. I have to put a lot of strain on myself to understand what people is saying. And there is a
Yes,
difference
sir.
between online interview and offline interview also. Had
Okay.
it been an offline interview, then it is a different story, and here it is a different story.
Yes,
So
sir.
you need to practice speaking and speaking clearly. Fluency is fine, I think, for you, but clarity is more important. So you need to practice English speaking, and clarity is important. Take pause. You might speak a bit slowly, that's perfectly fine. But
Okay.
what you are saying should be clearly understandable word by word, right? So
Okay.
this is one thing. And if you do not know the answer of any question, don't bluff. Say, I don't know. You said rare diseases are only 5, 6, and they are 7,000. So
Yes.
how wrong, what extent you got wrong thing.
Yes, sir.
So that is what I want to say, that uh, don't bluff if you do not know the answer. Say I don't know. Even if you say
Okay.
20 times I don't know in your interview will not go wrong. Also try to
Okay.
speak the truth. You have to show your positive, hide your negatives, and speak the truth. And whatever answers you have given me are good, but they can be
Okay.
better. वो और अच्छे हो सकते हैं। थोड़ा अपने आंसर पेन पेपर लेकर लिख लो, सारे सारे पॉसिबल क्वेश्चंस के आंसर अपने बारे में।
Yes.
मैंने ये क्यों किया, मैंने 10th की बात 12th क्यों किया, साइंस क्यों लिया मैंने, ये क्यों लिया मैंने, यहाँ क्यों पढ़ाई करी। अब अपने बारे में सब कुछ आप एक पेपर पे लिख लो। उन आंसर्स को लिखने से, दोबारा लिखने से, बार बार लिखने से आपको कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ेगा और आप और बेटर आंसर तैयार कर पाओगे।
जी सर।
ठीक है, और बोलने का प्रैक्टिस करो, नॉलेज बढ़ाओ, और क्लैरिटी ऑफ स्पीच पर भी आपको ध्यान देना होगा। कॉन्फिडेंटली आंसर करो। आर यू प्राउड ऑफ योर सेल्फ?
Yes, sir. I'm proud of myself.
तो वो दिखना चाहिए।
Ac-
इफ यू
अच्छा।
आर प्राउड ऑफ योर सेल्फ, इट शुड बी विजिबल ना।
Yes.
ऐसा लग रहा है
Yes,
कि ये
sir.
बेचारा डरा हुआ बैठा है,
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए। मतलब दो, आपको रिस्पेक्ट देनी है इंटरव्यूअर को, बट आपको
Mm-hmm.
कॉन्फिडेंट भी फील करना है ऑन द अदर एंड। हल्की हल्की
Okay, sir.
स्माइल आप चेहरे पे रख सकते हैं, और कई बार आप अपने आंसर, बढ़िया आंसर देकर यू कैन मेक द इंटरव्यूअर ऑल्सो लाफ, है
Yes.
ना। तो वो करने से आपके इंटरव्यू का एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा होगा ना।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना।
समझ गया।
बस ये
Mm-hmm.
चीजें आपके लिए छोटे छोटे टिप्स हैं, इनको फॉलो कीजिए और आप बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू देंगे। माय बेस्ट विशेस आर विद यू। सो स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes.
विपुल मंडल से आप मिल चुके हैं, उनका इंटरव्यू इंटरेक्शन आपने देखा। मैं अनअकैडमी में पढ़ाता हूँ। आई ट्राई टू हेल्प माय स्टूडेंट्स टू प्रिपेयर देमसेल्व्स बेटर फॉर द इंटरव्यू। एंड गाइस, माय नेम इज प्रवीण त्यागी। मैं क्वांट भी पढ़ाता हूँ और एलआरडीए भी पढ़ाता हूँ और इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन भी कराता हूँ। अगर आप मेरी क्लासेस अनअकैडमी पे करना चाहते हैं तो आपको अनअकैडमी ऐप डाउनलोड करना होगा, और डाउनलोड करने के बाद आप सर्च कर सकते हैं मेरा नाम प्रवीण त्यागी। मेरा कोड मैथ मैजिक है, आप मेरा कोड यूज करें मैथ मैजिक, और आप मेरी फ्री क्लासेस भी कर सकते हैं और प्लस क्लासेस भी कर सकते हैं गाइस। अनअकैडमी में बहुत सारी फ्री क्लासेस होती हैं, आप उनका फायदा उठाइए, अपनी पढ़ाई को बेटर कीजिए। विपुल भी मेरा एक स्टूडेंट है जो अनअकैडमी पे मेरे से पढ़ाई करी है उसने, और आई फील वेरी प्राउड दैट जब मेरा कोई स्टूडेंट मेहनत कर कर IIM अहमदाबाद की कॉल लेकर आता है, सो इट्स अ वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर द टीचर ऑल्सो, है ना, क्योंकि हर स्टूडेंट की मेहनत में कुछ पार्ट एक टीचर की मेहनत का भी होता है। सो आई फील वेरी गुड एंड प्राउड अबाउट इट गाइस। सो थैंक यू विपुल फॉर बीइंग विद अस फॉर द इंटरव्यू। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये इंटरव्यू बाकी लोगों को, आपके लिए भी ये प्रैक्टिस इंटरव्यू था, और बाकी स्टूडेंट्स को भी इंटरव्यू कैसे देना है और कैसे फेस करना है काफी चीजें पता लग गई हैं। So thank you students for attending this, and if you want to see my classes, use code mathmagic. If you want to help others, kindly share the video and help others. Thank you very much.